On this monitor, you can see everything you set up. However, the customer no longer wanted to see this monitor. They no longer wanted to see either monitor. What's going on there? Do you know what? But so far, everything is really making a good impression. It works, right? Yeah, I'm coming right away. All right, no problem. Thank you much. Music. Thank you very much. Then you continue to work on the center console. What? Music. No, I took a proper cable for that. It was thousands. What's that? Do you see it right over there? To change it here, you simply remove the pack wheel again. It's the girl. But it seems to work, right? It is, right? What if you take it off? That's how it has to be. Template set in the winter. But so far, everything is really making a good impression. Functioning. Already milled from wood. I don't like it at all. But as I said, things like that happen. It's also a process, you know. I think it's nicer if you build something here, that you somehow put the original trim on it. Do you know what I mean? That you just turn it and put it back in here. That sounds so easy when you say it. Look at the table. That's how it usually looks. Don't be alarmed, it will be tidied up soon. But you have to cut off some things, piece by piece. And don't forget, this is a Maybach. And the good thing is, I don't even know what this center console costs, so I don't worry about it. Thank you very much.
Everything looks so easy in the video right now, but it is absolutely not easy. I've been filling, sanding for several hours. 2001. This is where the monitor will go. You can easily open the flap, take the monitor out, and you can even the flap.
This looks just like the original. Isn't it available for purchase? Oh, then that is certainly a world premiere, I would say.
Yesterday we had a lot of world premieres.
Yes. Keep going forward. That's exactly right. What exactly are you doing now? Can you explain further in detail? Please provide more information about your actions and the steps you are taking. Of course, it would be nicer if this corner were rounded. That's why this one is open here. There too. That's the warm air there. This thing has a fan inside. The best would be a sticker, with a crossed out hand. We were also there to make sure no one touches it.
So the Maybach is finished and it turned out really awesome. At the very beginning, when the vehicle arrived, it had the Maybach logo here, for example. Then there were two monitors installed. The customer no longer wanted these two monitors. We removed the monitors. And the thing is, you really need these monitors. Why do you need these monitors? One would like to set up a seat massage. On this monitor, you can see everything you adjust. So cutting the cable or removing the cable and plugging it somewhere and taking the monitor off doesn't work. The customer didn't want to see this monitor anymore, didn't want to see either monitor anymore. Now you would basically need to get both signals from both monitors onto one monitor. Look, absolutely beautiful, and indeed beautiful. So now you simply do the following. Open this flap here, take out the monitor, close the flap. Oh, we also need to turn this on here. So you carefully close this up again. Now the monitor is in place. Now we are able to feed the signal to this monitor, or as desired, if the customer wants to adjust the seat here, we have built a circuit. Now the customer can press the switch. This way, the image from this monitor will appear on that monitor. Now I'll just turn on the monitor, specifically this right side. There it is, Maybach. See, now I can easily adjust my seat here on this side. Now I can choose a nice massage. It's starting right away. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. Close the door. Now, of course, the other passenger also wants this awesome massage function, because it would be totally unfair if only I had the massage. So we have installed a switch here. I just mentioned that we built a circuit to get both signals onto one monitor. 2001. Bam, I'm doing it now. So now we also turn on the left side, and there it is. So now I can also adjust the seat on the left side. Very convenient. Yeah, I'm coming right away. All right, no problem. We also installed a phone. It's a cool thing too. The phone is like a landline, just like at home, still with a cable. The customer wanted to have their own number and wanted to have their own phone in the vehicle. With this car phone, you can practically discuss business matters. And is it really intended only for this customer? only for this customer, because the customer has their own SIM card in it. Or do you actually say SIM card or SIM card? I don't know, right? As I said, the customer wanted all the Maybach emblems removed and asked if we could do something else there. We did that. We have now installed new door sills for this customer. They are made of carbon and are illuminated. They are also available in carbon gloss, carbon matte, or what else, Daniel? What else can be done?
Made of wood.
Made of wood. In all coating variants. This is how we can offer it. Now, I'll show you an example of how it could be done